Dear children, tonight, this is evening time, we will do the second law of Newton's law of motion. The second Newton's law of motion. So, before we could come to this rate of change, proportional, we have to understand what is momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. But for physics students, this is not a correct definition because it is a purely mathematics. And physics, we need to do much more. So how will you understand momentum? You need to know the function of mass and the function of the velocity. See, for example here, Usain Bolt, the fastest runner in the world is here, 60 kg, and here is the famous wrestler in the world, Undertaker, 200 kg. They walk with, say, 3 kilometer per hour. Usain Bolt move also with 3 kilometer. What will happen when they meet in the middle? Undertaker will stand up, Usain Bolt will fall down. Why? Usain Bolt is 60 kg, he is 200, and then the speed velocity is what? 3 kilometer per hour, 3 kilometer. So the mass will overcome the mass will overcome the momentum. MB of Undertaker is greater than MB. B is same but M is small. So this is momentum. So now we will come to this one here. Undertaker 2 meter per second, Usain Bolt 100 meter per second, and they will meet in the middle. Who will fall down? I will tell you, Usain Bolt is only 60 kg, Undertaker is 200 kg, but Undertaker will fall down. Why? Here comes momentum. Usain Bolt 100 meter per second, so 100 into 60 kg is much greater than 200 into 2 meter per second. This is the main thing that we should understand in physics. Don't be happy with those things. Like dipole moment. Dipole moment is the strength of the magnet into the length of the magnet. That is mathematics. Dipole moment of a charge Q into the length of the dipole. That is only mathematics. You don't get any beauty of physics from all of this. And now we will come, this is final for today, two very fundamental arithmetic laws of proportion. So this is a law of proportion. So one is directly proportional. A particular value is directly proportional to some other value. For example, 5 oranges cost rupees 300. One orange is how much? 300 by 5. This is the law of direct proportion. The more the oranges, the more will be the amount I have to pay to the seller, the less the orange. So one orange is 60 rupees, and the 60 is known as the rate. What is the rate of the orange in the market? They say 60. They don't say 5 orange cost how much. They say what is the rate of orange in the market today? 60, which means one orange is 60 rupees. Not like in the war time, one orange is 2 rupees. Now 60, 100. Okay? So now, the another one. This is the law of, so here the more the oranges, the more will be the course. Okay, so now we will come to the indirect proportion. See here. How to get this? 5 boys can paint the school, the roof, in 60 days. So one boy can paint the school in 60 by 5. No, no. It is not orange. It is not 60 rupees by 5 orange. 60 by 5 is very wrong. Why? 5 boys will paint in 60 days. How can one paint in 12 days? The contractor will be very happy to get this type of people. 5 in 60, one boy in 12 days. It is not possible. Arithmetic will not allow. So now, 5 boy can paint a school in 60 days. One boy will paint the school how much? 60 into 5. In the oranges and the cost, it is divide. Here 60 into 5, 300 days. And what is 300 days? This is the rate. The rate of walk of one boy is 300. And in orange, the rate of one orange is how much? How much is I tell you? About there is you have seen there. The rate of orange will be 60. Here the rate of walk of the boy is he will need one boy alone will need 300. So one is indirect proportion, one is direct. So with this, we will be happy to go to the second law of motion. Thank you.